So we're JECT-SENSE, and we've come together to augment the creative intelligence of news businesses. We're a team of the JECT.AI startup with its product and developers, Antoni Rayzhekov, who's a new media artist with strong technical skills, and art tech curator Claudia Schnugg. So why more creative intelligence? Well, news businesses need engaging articles to attract readers and their associated revenue streams. However, producing engaging articles day in and day out is difficult. In particular, newsrooms and editors often lack what is called creative intelligence to direct journalists towards the more engaging articles. One reason for this is the inaccessibility of their own news archives to generate the intelligence. So to solve this problem, JECT-SENSE will build a new creative intelligence solution, one that visualizes content in news archives in new and informative ways, to reveal, for example, underreported topics and reporting biases. The new visualizations and associated algorithms will provide what we call evidence-based direction for both editors and journalists, so that they can create more engaging articles more regularly. In the next 5 months, we will pilot JECT-SENSE using JECT's current Creative News Index. This index is composed of semantic tags generated from over 20 million articles published over the last 4 years in 400 titles and 6 languages. The new product will be composed of simpler 2D visualizations of news content for use by journalists, richer, more sophisticated 3D mappings of that content for editors to use, and a new artwork called Fragile Perspectives, which we will use to market JECT from September onwards. The business model describes at least 3 revenue streams. The first is from sales to news businesses. Wanefra is our strategic partner here and will facilitate sales pitches to our target customers. The second is from user subscriptions to the current product, which will be enhanced with the new visualization features. And the third will be from reseller agreements with CMS providers. JECT is already available as a plugin to CMS products. One of these is Q from StiboDX, currently used in newsrooms such as The Economist, Die Welt, and Le Soir. Each newsroom sale will incorporate a fixed profit margin for each indexed article. Using this model, even a limited degree of EU market penetration can yield solid returns. Our current market focus is news. However, road testing has revealed higher growth potential in the marketing, PR, and corporate communications sectors.
How we can explore a massive creative news index of more than 20 million multidimensional stories without endless scrolling, without reading each title and text snippet. We can approach it in a radically different visual way. By using machine learning, we can create a map, the so-called Kohonen map, to reduce the multidimensionality. Such neural network approach has the affordance of visual navigation like surfing a landscape of news stories. Furthermore, we can use this Kohonen map and embody it as a sculpture made of glass, steel, and sound, and experience the very same information in the physical and sonic domain.
Our collaboration is advanced. We've already developed new mechanisms to analyze and visualize the news. The shared design model will inform both JECT's algorithm development and the artwork production by Antoni. The key 2D and 3D visualization algorithms will be delivered in July and August respectively, allowing enough time for early testing and refinement.
Now we see the new 3D mapping interface of JECT.AI, an interactive news landscape generated by the search results of COVID-19, for example. Each point is consisting of several stories that are being grouped together by the machine learning algorithm. We can click and read them. Also, we can examine the topology of the newscape, finding valleys of negative or hills of positive sentiments and forests of precisely clustered keywords and concepts. Now you see the Fragile Perspectives artwork. How does the landscape of news coverage look like and sound? The aim of the artistic installation Fragile Perspective is to raise awareness about the quality of the information we consume every day. It uses the same Kohonen map generated by the search results and being further extruded in 3D, folded and molded in glass while it's being sonified.
This art-tag collaboration will culminate in a product and an artwork. We will produce an accompanying video that explains the process. We'll exhibit it in Venice in 2022 during the Biennale and present it at the ACM Creativity and Cognition Conference. And that's JECT-SENSE.